Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of making this Damascus knife for my cousin Tay. Happy birthday, Tay. Hope you really enjoy this knife. We forged it out in the last part and hardened it. It's turning out really good so far, and now we're going to hop on the grinder, grind it away, and we're going to get it all the way, holes drilled with pins and etched in this video. And then part 3, we're going to do the handle. The handle's going to be really sweet, so it's going to be a really cool video. And then we're going to finish it. So this point, we're just going to get it. We're going to do a test etch, and everything done and ground, hand side and everything. So let's get on the grinder. Actually, roll the intro. I'm just going to take a second and kind of explain what we're doing with the grinding. The first thing you saw us do is just shaping it, so we're getting our profile. So that means the edges, the spine, you know, all that. Profile, how I want it, how the actual shape looks. And then we started to kind of do the flats on the tank. So we're going to sand the flats on the tank perfectly flat. Sorry, we got a rooster chrome right now. We're going to sand that perfectly flat, get everything shaped up with the profile, and then we're going to go and start working on our bevels. We're just going to do this knife a single flat bevel, so it'll start at the very tip, the edge, and it'll go all the way to the spine. Just one long flat bevel. That's what we're going to be working on. And then also, you want to make sure you go check out our merch. Go get some. You know, we're trying to start a little company here, you know, and this is a great way to help us out and support us, and also a great way to show that you enjoy what we do and help us out. And let's get back to grinding. Okay guys, we've sanded the handle about as much as we are. We'll probably do a little bit more. And now what we're going to do is called running the colors. We're going to soften the handle of the knife so we'll be able to drill holes through it so it's not so hard and brittle. Alright guys, you can see that color right there. So we've ran the colors all the way through, and now we're just going to let it cool down, and then we're going to get back to grinding, probably on the blade. Alright guys, the knife's cooled down now, so we're going to keep on grinding it. We're going to do a little more on the handle, and then we're going to start on our bubbles. Okay guys, we've hand sanded the blade, and our next step is we're going to take these two files. We have a rat tail file, it's a circular one, and a triangular file, and we're going to do, I forget what it's called, we're going to be doing stuff to the spine of the knife right here and making some designs. I forget what it's called, but let's get started on that. Okay guys, the knife is ready to etch basically. We got the spine all done. We've hand sanded it. So we're going to take it now and clean it with some acetone. So we're going to clean it with some acetone, and then we're going to start to etch it. And I have a video on how to etch Damascus knives. There'll be a card right up here, right up there guys. So you'll click on it, and you'll get to see the process that I'm about to go through. So I'm not going to show it to you in this video, the whole process. I'm just going to show you put it in, and I'll show you when I take it out. We're also going to do a copy etch, and I'll show you how I do that in that video. So I click on that. But let's get it ready to put into the etch. So I think that's probably good. I'm just going to let it kind of air dry. The acetone will evaporate super fast off of it. And then we're going to put it into the etch. And when you guys see it again, it'll be completely etched. Alright guys, this Damascus pattern turned out amazing. You guys saw, I really love it. The twist is usually pretty simple, but this one looks really clean, and the etch is really good. It turned out great. I'm really excited this knife's coming along. I'm excited for part 3, and I want to put the handle on it and finish it all. This is going to conclude it for part 2 though, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and watching the process, how we're going to make this knife. And if you did, please leave a like, a comment on what you think of it, and then please subscribe, it really helps a lot. And also we have some merch. Here's one of our hoodies we sell. This is a shirt we sell, the Masters Metal, and the hats. So go cop yourself some. There's a link right down below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.